Rocky Road fudge with my 2-ingredient fudge recipe. Got my chocolate chips there. Got my sweetened condensed milk here. I'm going to throw this in the microwave and let it get melted. All right, let me see if my chocolate chips are gonna be melted. Looks like it. Okay, I'm gonna stir this till they melt. And I've been doing the, what do you call it? The advanced version of fudge, adding in extra butter. You can do vanilla, salt also if you want. Since I'm gonna have almonds in this, and since I'm gonna have almonds instead of peanuts, I'm gonna add just the titch of salt. Since we're going with the classic Rocky Road version. This recipe is based off of my 2-ingredient fudge recipe in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2, on page 2 something. Where'd it go? Page 315. All right, got my butter all melted in there. Going to, oops, didn't mean to do that. Oh well. Added all of my almonds. I meant some for decoration. I'll just go get another bag. And then I got my marshmallows here. Okay, we're gonna get those stirred in. Got my pan. All right, I'm going to use almond slices, I think, on top. So get my marshmallows all pushed in here. I'm gonna take and sprinkle my almonds on top. Just like so, and then I'm gonna push them gently all in. Whole pieces might have been better actually, because they might stick better. All those pushed in. I'm gonna stick this in the refrigerator and let it set up, and then we will cut it. Okay, I got my Rocky Road here, and just go along the sides and loosen it if you need to. And now, I probably should have left this just a little bit longer, but I got cooking videos I gotta do, and I need my pan. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut this. Look at that. Let's take a taste test. Oh my goodness. Just like Rocky Road. Yum.